Sending money instantly with the Natwest app is easier than you think, and this tutorial will walk you through every step. First, open your Natwest app and log in securely using your preferred method. Whether it's your fingerprint, a passcode, or your memorable information. Once logged in, you'll land on your account summary page. To send money, tap on the Pay and Transfer option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll see a few options to send to someone new, or if you haven't paid them before. Tap Pay a person. If you've paid them before, they'll appear in your saved payees list, and you can simply select them. If you need to add a new payee, tap the plus icon or the Add Payee button. You'll typically need their sort code and account number. Enter these details carefully. You might also have the option to add a reference, which is useful for identifying the payment later. Once the payee details are entered, confirm. Then the app may ask for a brief confirmation of the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Now that your payee is added, or if you've selected an existing one, you'll be taken to the payment screen. Select the account you want to pay from, then enter the amount you wish to send. Double check the amount to avoid any errors. You can also add a personal message or reference here for the recipient, which is always a nice touch. Once you're happy with all the details, tap Continue. This is the final crucial step. The app will show you a summary of the transaction, who you're sending to, the amount, and your reference. Review everything one last time. To authorize the payment, follow the on-screen prompts, which might involve using your fingerprint, entering your passcode, or completing a security question. And that's it. Your money has been sent securely and conveniently through the Natwest app. You will receive a confirmation on screen, and often an email or push notification.